Welcome back, classmates! It's another Dr. Stone reaction day. Since we are kinda disappointed with the episode 1, we hope episode 2 is more exciting.
Yes, I am also excited to see how they're going to do or what adventures they're going to have while they're traveling to America. Also, we would like to invite you to our live stream on Saturday. Please join us if you have time because we're going to do collaboration while playing Pico Park.
So what are we waiting for? Dr. Stone episode 2, season 4?
Now serving! What they're doing?
This is not what we are left of, right?
Are we even in the right episode? Yeah, it says science future, right? Episode 2. What the?
Yeah, episode 2.
What are
But
we watching?
why they're not on the ship?
I'm so confused right now.
I think this is the process where they create alcohol. Okay.
Okay. I was so worried. I was like, is this even the right one? Are they even at the right age to even drinking?
How about Suika? What is she drinking?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's right.
Oh, good. She's not making any.
Are they gonna give her like mocktails?
Oh, Franzago! Make it happen!
Yep. Gum syrup. Their best friend, sulfuric. I remember that one.
What? Yeah, I also wonder if you could drink that one.
Is it even safe? What? Oh my god, whenever Senko's doing some experiment or something, it's always crazy.
Really? Is that serious? Making sugar with poison? Seriously?
What the heck? I don't even know if I want to drink it.
Oh!
Oh!
No! It's too sweet. Okay. So I think she's gonna drink milk instead.
Oh, so that's how they made yogurt?
Milk plus lemon.
Lemon. Ah, okay.
That's why it's sour.
Crazy. I
There you
didn't even know
go.
if I want to drink this because now I know it has sulfuric acid and all those poisons.
Yay!
Good for you, Suika. What is it?
Oh! Apple juice.
Is this like, milkies? Does it taste like milk?
Imagining the taste right now.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Let me try that. Putting watermelon with
With sulfur.
no, that's sulfur. No, not that. Are you crazy? Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't even thought you would suggest that.
With sugar syrup made with sulfur.
Yeah. And I think he said something about bromide something. So it's like a one-way trip drink. Eh! Why is Tsukasa all dressed up? Hey!
Oh!
Amazing.
Of course.
Cola, spicy cola. Chili pepper. She's chili pepper! What the heck? Chili pepper. Hey.
Another spicy drink.
Ginger ale. Nice. I'm curious to try Gin's drink though.
Spicy cola.
Yeah, spicy cola.
What is
Tea
this?
latte.
What?
I don't know if they're trying to sell drinks here or what. Uh-huh.
Oh.
So it became latte. Alright. That's a lot of drinks to try. With sulfuric acid. Let's not forget.
Bring things to someone you are afraid of.
Mhm. Oh. Oh, so there were a lot. Like,
Yeah.
hey! That doesn't look like Giro in any way! How the heck did I mistake him?
Okay, so yeah, that's why.
Freaking hell. I feel bad for this guy.
I think it's better to be penetrated by that light than to die this way.
Yeah, I think so too. But I guess at that time they didn't know that there's gonna be a cure for it.
I can't be serious with this face.
Yeah. It's impossible with Ginro. It's crazy. And
And that happened.
okay.
Ooh.
Whoa, this guy. Oh no, no freaking way.
Now where it is?
Oh, so he left clues. So I think he's earlier than what do you call this? He's earlier than the other guys.
Offering a drink.
Matcha beer. Ah, we want this. We definitely want this.
No,
Matcha beer.
I was curious with this drink.
How do you even make this one?
What does it taste like?
Oh,
Oh,
already passed out. Yep, fun times over.
oh, we're in training arc.
Hey, we're having drunk talk here. I'd like to borrow your chest. What?
What? Are they reviving someone?
Oh, they're reviving this
Oh,
guy. Damn, this guy was crazy
yeah.
last season.
I was wondering now if he would going to cooperate with them now that Tsukasa was up.
Yep, yep, yep. They have like unsettled thing, right? Him and
Yes.
Tsukasa. Hmm?
Oh, he wants to revive two people in exchange.
Oh
Oh
no! Not
my
this
god.
guy!
Okay, that's fine.
Not this guy! No, 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 not this crazy guy. This guy hasn't met Tsukasa, right? Oh. Oh my god, Ginro. No. This guy is so pathetic, but I didn't thought that last season he would be useful.
Oh,
Nice. He's also motivated.
you have to be stronger, Ginro.
What the heck? Oh, we're getting some history here. Look at Senku. Sunstone.
Like some sorcery.
Uh-huh. Everything they don't understand, it becomes sorcery. Oh my god, Ged, when you're making that face, it makes me worried. Okay. Comes feelings.
You're trying to. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Human stopwatch. Oh,
They're,
and then they're gonna pinpoint it out.
yeah, they're pointing where their location are right now. Oh!
Oh!
Halfway already.
No, no, I don't believe the smooth sailing.
Then it turns into. Ah!
I knew it. As soon as he says it, something happens.
Jinx.
Zero in luck. What the heck? Oh my god, the creaking sound.
From
He,
us
ha-
an idea.
he, ha- he has a lot of stones. What the heck?
Mm,
Mm. But I bet Senko already knows about this.
would this thing work?
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, so it's gonna match. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, see, Senko already knows what it is.
Oh, now I get it.
No, I don't.
It's the person that's creating rainbow.
Oh,
Something like that.
oh, I don't know.
Something what in school. I forgot. Oh.
So he knows it. Awesome. No, I still don't know what that is. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, so we're fast forwarding things. Are we gonna? Whoa, iceberg. Are we gonna reach America at this point?
Or on this episode, or maybe cutting it when they arrived.
Oh, it's there! It's there! It's
Oh,
there!
almost.
Finally, finally. Let's go.
And we are right. Cutting it right there.
Yeah.
When they see land. We arrived! And that's it. For this episode. Ah,
Just at the good
yeah.
moment.
Some background stories. And yeah, the previous one that we thought that this episode would be not the episode 2. But
Yeah.
at the
This,
beginning.
yeah, it's crazy because they started started, like, it looked like they're still at the island. So it was like, no, is this even the right episode?
No, it's just a flashback for the beer.
Crazy. But I like this episode. I mean, there was. I think this one is much better than episode one.
Yeah. And then also it keeps us having these questions. Where is the other rings from the previous or from that background story
Mm-hmm,
that we
mm-hmm.
had right now in this episode too?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now we know that there is a lot of rings. It's not just only one, but there were a lot. And the petrification didn't only happen once during during Senku's time. So it also happened during Matsutake's time. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so excited for episode 3 since they already see a land.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think
And they arrive in America. Let's
let's
go!
go.
So what do you think, classmates?
Comment your thoughts below.